Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report today for Jim in Missouri on the Stryker 655 version 2. We still have a couple more of these left. They're on sale, $40 off. Once they're gone, there won't be any more of these. I'm going to start with our power all the way down. 50 watt slug, 2 watts all the way down, 15 all the way up. Now if you're just going to run radio with no amp, just run it wide open, Jim. Show you average power swing. Hello audio. 30 bird or so. 100 watt slug and peak. Hello. About 73 peak. Alright, Jim, it's ready for you. When you come by and get it, she'll be waiting from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.